Hi, I'm Jason with ExpertVillage.com. Today we're making the rock polished charm for a necklace. We're going to do the edges now. Like I said, I'm going to do a little bit of shaping and flatten my edges all the way around the whole thing. I'm going to keep in mind what shape I have in mind. Whatever you have in mind, this is what's great about this. You can do anything you want. I'm going to try to keep most of the natural shape of this, keep the edges flat, but really define some of these divots in here. So as I go, I'm going to make sure I keep it wet so I don't break the bit and I don't break the rock. Okay, we're going to cool the rock off again, and then we'll go fill around the edges and see if we've got everything we need to get.